baby. Racks, keep them on me like I live in a bike. Pints, eat the sun like I live out the drink. My fashion is high, I live in the sky. I'm keeping my fire, I hope they don't try. You heard I'm on fire, but that ain't no lie. My youngins, I love them, I know they gon' ride. Racks, get on knocked off and won't think about it. Lie to your honor, straight look them straight in the face and won't blink about it. I just finesse for a bad today. We white didn't know you're the nasty way. Next time I call you the fastest way. Fuck on you, bitch, I don't masturbate. I just kept it 100, they had to hate. I heat it up and I blast away. Ain't doing no whipping this glass today. She let me hit it, I had to pay. She let me get it, you had to wait. I'm still ahead of my class today. I do the dash with no license plate. Nigga try me, he gon' die today.
Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Joshy Mo. Don't forget your hold. Let me see if I'm going the right way though. Hold on. Yo, we're on the way though to the meet. I'm running late as fuck, bro. Then we got the cat outside. We're in the cat if you can't tell. But yeah, we're in the cat right now, man. Kind of big. Ooh, we gonna party in the backseat. Yo, white grand down quick trip. Nigga, it's a whole bunch of fashion. I'm not even with the gang right now, nigga, but it's a whole bunch of fashion outside. I ain't gonna lie, we lit out this bitch. I done seen all my niggas out here and everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna hop in a, oh my god, let me hurry up and get on my shit before y'all saying the niggas leave me, cause I'm like fuck no. We finna go through the tunnel again, bro. Is this the one where we always crashing? Oh shit, nigga, we lit, nigga. Oh shit! Niggas just took flight, no drone! I shot him in his arm. I can watch him. Outside, we lit. I don't even know if y'all can hear this bit because it's like, it's just so crazy though. It's just so much fashion outside. It's just so much fashion, like so much. I ain't gonna lie, like this shit crazy. This shit so crazy to me. This is too much fashion. Cause I'm on the Eli. I'm on the Eli. That's my nigga Eli. That's not my nigga Eli. That's a regular 5-0. I thought that was my nigga Eli, guys. Oh my god. I ain't gonna lie, this shit damn near cruising now, like. This shit damn near cruising. This shit not even no, you know what I'm saying? We ain't even no runs, nigga, like. I ain't gonna lie, this is wet right here, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm that nigga, bro. Right now, them two finna race, I'm recording all this shit on my phone, them two finna race now. Oh, Ruby Star got him, Ruby Star got him. Ruby Star got that bum ass nigga. This nigga ain't got enough power in that motherfucker. I had to tell bro W Color he got a Ruby Star, but oh my god. He cutting up. Hey, he cutting up in bad today. I put up on the scene with a bad little bitch. She got a fat ass when I smash and shake.
Get ready, everybody. He's about to do something stupid.
Smacking the ass playing patty cake. Shut the fuck up, do what daddy say. I think I got a little baby mad at me. Fuck it, let's go to the bank. Huh.
Baby, racks. Keep them on me like I live in the bank. Pints, DD dessert like I live out the drink. My fashion is high, I live in the sky. I'm keeping my fire, I hope they don't try. You heard I'm on fire, but that ain't no lie. My youngest, I love them, I know they gon' ride. Rich, hunter, get on knocked off and won't think about it. Lie to your honor, straight look them straight in the face and won't blink about it.
Oh my.
Hey, I gave a nigga belt off cam on Mama Life. I just gave a nigga belt. Hey, he trying to raise everybody though. I respect it though. He's getting gabbed. Nigga, this is a cat. This is Z01. He's getting gabbed. Still gave him belt. 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 Nigga, we both gave that nigga belt. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Fuck you talking about. Nigga, he running for the belt, though. He running for the belt, though. He know better. He know better. He know better. Cause he nigga know better. I ain't gonna lie. We giving niggas belt out here all 20s. Oh, that was on cam, too. We got that on cam. No, we got that on vid. Don't worry. We got that on vid. I remember. We got that on vid.
I heat it up and I blast away. Ain't doing no whipping this glass today. She let me hit it, I had to pay. She let me get it, you had to wait. I'm still ahead of my class today. I do the dash with no license plate. Nigga try me, he gon' die today.
I'm on their ass today. I just went and picked me up a bag today. I put up on the scene with a bad little bitch. She got a fat ass when I smash and shake. Smacking the ass playing patty cake. Shut the fuck up, do what daddy say. I think I got a little baby mad at me. Fuck it, let's go to the bank. Huh.
Man, we got my bitch ass nigga right here, nigga. Shay Gill, bro. How's the burrito, bro?
Good.
How's the burrito, bro? How's the burrito, bro? Shay Gill. How's the burrito, bro? I just want your autograph, Shay Gill. Hey, Shay Gill, just give me your autograph, bro. I can have your autograph, bro.
Come on, man.
I'm saying, how the food though? Keep it a bean. How the food? Let's go 1 through 10. How the food? How's it though? 1 through 10. 8.5? Bullshit answer. Okay, wanna get Gabe. How is the food, brother?
6 point.
Whoa.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Whoa. 6 point what? Damn, for real? So you not returning? You not coming back? You not a?
I just said I want to come back, but it's not
6? You're gonna come back for a 6?
My scale is like.
So you got bougie dick.
What do you mean by that?
Monica Mo, you know what I'm saying? Real nigga. Rate the food, nigga. What you mean, cuz? Rate the food.
Good 8.5.
8.5. He gave another answer, bro. Water. Is this one? Water? Isn't that your order?
What you mean?
That's your order, right?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Huh? No, I got my order.
Shay Gill, bro. What's wrong with Shay Gill, bro?
Nigga just recording me. Record you then. Nigga, stop fucking recording.
Chill, good. Bro, what's wrong with that, bro? I'm saying you gotta have that A1 on you though, cuz. You gotta have that thick and hearty A1 sauce, boy.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you that a bitch ass thing. You better shut the fuck up before I knock your fucking head off your shoulders, old ugly ass bitch.
My nigga, so we got that good ass food right here. You know what I'm saying? It's by City Hibachi, you know what I'm saying? The best in the
What area is this? What area code is this? Yeah. 4 and 5 for real? They're 4 and 5? Pittsburgh's 4 and 5, I did not know that.
Go down, nigga. You gonna die. You mad fast. Lay your ass down. You ain't like you ain't never ate before.
Why every nigga say that, bro? Cause I like my food, bro.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
That shit gonna get replayed, nigga, no joke.
Subscribe.